Hey everyone, Matt from Soundrolling.com, and this is the V-Mic D3Pro from Deity microphones. And we're going to do a little unboxing of what you get is basically a little kind of shotgun mic. And I'm going to basically just talk you through what you get in the box. The Deity D3Pro. This is a shotgun mic, which is aimed to be basically a super versatile DSLR kind of microphone, but you can actually turn it very neatly into a shotgun mount as well. So because it's this one's got the DSLR mount on, they partnered with Ryco. Ryco obviously make loads of amazing suspension mounts, and this is their Lyra thing as well, so you get that included. You also get obviously the microphone. We'll go into more detail with that later. You get the plug to be able to go into, say, XLR or go into your DSLR in this case. There's also clever pin technology which allows you to go also into your phone. So it'll read which pin it needs to go out of. And this can also go into a G3, for instance, making a wireless boom. It charges with an internal battery, and that's why you get super fast charging with the USB-C, I think it is. And it's just on the side of the mic there, so even if you are starting to run a little low on power, everyone's got basically a portable battery charger for their phones these days, and it's no different for the D3Pro. So looking closer at the microphone, you can see that we have the output, which is through this kind of 3.5mm jack, and so that'll just plug in there. You can also buy an adapter to get it to XLR as well. Then you'll see that it also has USB fast charging, and this is through USB-C, which is now knocking around everywhere. I've got it on my OnePlus. So again, internal battery, but you get about 50 hours out of it. So you shouldn't be caught short, and if you are, then it's fast charging, so you could keep charging it throughout the day. Then we've got low cuts, so that's 75 and 150 kilohertz. And then we have this, which is very nice, an extra 20 dB of stepless gain, and the key being stepless. So because you're able to basically plug this into your phone, you can basically gain this up and down from the microphone itself, which is really nice. To turn it on, you can basically press this button right here and hold it, and then you'll see there's a little orange light, and then these should eventually turn blue if they're on. There you go, so you can see which one you've selected or not selected. Now orange means that it's just waiting for a signal, so I would have to say plug it into a phone, and then through magic it now goes green and now is ready to record on my phone. But also, as I was mentioning before, you could actually easily plug this into a G3, and you could mount this on another Ryco mount if you wanted to. It comes actually with a location recording pack, which gives you basically a shotgun mount as well for a boom pole. And there you go. Now you have a wireless mini shotgun, basically, that you can also add an extra 20 dB of stepless gain in. And I think this is a really nice feature, because obviously this is aimed primarily at trying to be a kind of step-up mic for the self-shooter, and kind of carrying through, and I think they've delivered on that promise in terms of being able to basically deliver a microphone that's going to scale with you. It isn't fixed to the DSLR mount. You don't have to buy basically anything else. You can even use a mount that I would normally have for my other shotguns if I was using it, and obviously I'll be using this in my videos as well. And then you can get obviously even more wind protection if you need to than this. It'll just slot on top, or if you're in a basket, then that's even better. So overall, very impressed with the Deity, and I think it still retails for about I think 250 maybe with the D3Pro and the location pack. I think it was 250. I will throw some prices on there as well. So until next time, guys, I will see you later.